Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to pull off the rocker cover and take the catch can out and probably the turbo housing, and we're going to repaint that gloss black. Let's get stuck into it. Wrinkle black is so freaking hard to get off. Been out here for a while. Most of it's off. I'm going to hit it with a pressure washer shortly, just let it strip a little bit more paint, and then we're going to prime them up, and I'm going to paint them gloss black with a nice 2K clear, and hopefully it looks a lot better. We'll leave these for a bit longer, and then we'll wash them off.
Well, thankfully the first one didn't.
Jamie, you've left the street, mate. What are you doing out of your street?
I was allowed out. Of my cage tonight.
Oh.
Yeah.
It is Friday after all.
My husband said I could come over here and play with your willies.
Permission granted. Permission granted.
Look at Ryan's work. He's done a little bit since last time. He's welded that on.
Done some.
Are you cooking yourself dinner and none for us, Ryan? It's for everyone. We put a snack on first because we didn't know if certain people were going to leave the street today. But now you've come, I'm going to have to send you.
I can't believe you actually came.
RGA, mate. RGA.
Turbo. I'll bring.
Good work, Ryan. That looks pretty good. If you're blind.
Look at that piece over there. What's over there?
Oh, who remembers that? That's been in a couple of YouTube videos, that one.
Yes.
That's definitely been in some YouTube videos.
Driving. It's out of the shed.
Good on you,
Out
mate.
of the shed.
When everyone's saying when's the next video coming out for that?
I've got heaps of footage. I'm just waiting for someone to make the video.
It will happen.
It's happening.
It's going to happen.
Contamination.
I've got enough for 2 videos.
Look at this, hey?
It could be the case of when you've got the
Not bad. Bit of a rebuild going on here.
If it's kinked, maybe that.
The big rig.
I was trying to go with it straight, but yeah.
We've now got them all stripped, ready to go. Gave them a quick sand. The cover has got a small little mark in it. I think I'm just going to put a bit of bog in that. There's no point painting this with a dirty big mark on the top. So I'm going to put a little bit of bog in that, give it a sand, and then we're going to take these outside, put some primer on it, and then we're going to lay down some paint. So let's get that done. silver, and now I'm going to clear coat it. Now that's all sanded off, we are ready for clear. Show you what I did yesterday. Painted up some wheels yesterday. There's one of them. And here's the other three. They look alright, eh? Not too bad. Painted them up for a mate. They are done in 2K direct gloss, so you don't actually put a clear on them, the clear's in with the paint. First time using it. Do I rate it? No, not really. I still like to put clear down. I reckon it turns out a lot better. But they did turn out alright. They're not too bad. They do look alright. Now everything's been painted, I'm probably going to leave it until tomorrow because I've just got the worst luck when it comes to touching wet paint. And I'd hate to have to paint strip everything again and do it again. So I'm just going to leave it till tomorrow. And then we'll reinstall into the car, which is going to delay this video. So you won't see this video until tomorrow. Hopefully it's dry tomorrow and we'll be able to put it back in the car. We'll just wait until then. It's now the next morning, everything's dry. We got the cover sitting here, catch can sitting here, I've unmasked everything, and the turbo housing sitting over there. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put it back onto the car and hopefully it looks mint. Look at that. That looks unreal. I'm very happy with the way that turned out. Very stoked. There it is, guys, all finished, all looking so mint. Very happy with the job. Like, the gloss on it is just insane. Like, look at that, mad reflection, exactly what you want. It's all finished and I think it turned out pretty good. What do you guys reckon? Oh my god, it is so sick. If you liked that video, make sure you leave a comment, give it a thumbs up, share it with your mates, and I'll catch you on the next one. See you later.